Army checkpoint in front of International Airport, Enugu State. Our people have cried out and asked what is the reason of this checkpoint in the entrance of airport. The people are very shocked for this. Igbo people have cried out of losing multi-million naira mansions in Abuledo, Lagos State. No be smart, things are happening where we tell our people, say this country is not for you. They know they believe. And now their property for Lagos, they are taking it down one by one by one. Every day, this is happening in Lagos State. I never see Ohaneze, Ndibo, or the governor stand up and say, why this? Why doing this to our people? Nobody will talk. And when the people decide their fate, you see one idiot will come outside on social media to talk nonsense. We are in charge. Don't worry, you'll be there for temporary. Okay, my people. As that one they happen, they say that the people who arrested the good Matthias Ezak, so those people are kidnappers because there's no destination of where they have taken Matthias for. But as we are going to show you a video of when the followers of Matthias showed a part of Okozo's house and say it may be there that they took him to. But there's no yet communication from where the destination of Matthias is. Yeah, my wonderful people, we'll go find out how all these things take happen. Okay, my people, welcome back to Balabas GC. Today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. And if you know say never give the channel a follow, may you do so that you could get our update back to back as it dey hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. International Airport, Enugu, some of our people have cried out for unlawful checkpoint by Nigeria military. And they are asking what is the reason of this checkpoint in this front of International Airport. We are going to bring the video up for you people to see what is going on in this particular side. Stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue. This is the entrance of International Airport, Enugu. The question is why this is not in Lagos or is not in Abuja. This airport was claimed to be International Airport but never been in International Airport. But this is what is happening in Igbo land. And this is the things we expect the people who call themselves leaders should be talking about. Why this checkpoint in the front of International Airport? I think they have a toll gate where they control cars or where they control the people that enter. So why this military checkpoint in this front of International Airport? My people, share this video. People need to know what is going on in our land. Yeah, let's jump into what is happening in Abulado in Lagos, where the Igbos have lost multi-million naira mansions by the governor Showolu and his master Tunumbu are destroying people's property they buy with their hard-earned money. And I don't know if there is any compensation to this property they are destroying. I think none. We are going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue.
Obi, Udo, una good evening everybody. I want to be na Abulado. I want to be na Abulado Shoba. Side is good. Stone water them side 91 road. Because only man wala neba among well on alo eba egwia. Boy anako the government na ako on the mado. Habido ebe 5 we cover. Anako on the mado alone egwu ka abia me just me imago amansi nakwa imanande aka na ako up to now. Helicopter na efale. Habu caterpillar 4 we bia. Anako on the mado like this. On the mado ndi mande alolo fu mande alolo na anako na aga. So you malonye onye nke bi ebe a ma ọ bụ onye nwere ụlọ ebe a ma ọ something ikpọ malụ ka ha si wee nọdụ. You water information ka na-enye right now ebe a ka anyị ncharo n'abalị a n'iru nke anyị. All side anyị ọ bụ na ịma easy good Abalado Shoba side. Side is Stone Water, 91 Road, that side can they cook ya. So about believe as in can update you Monday in case of one yank ya. Go check one on him or her. Thank you. Oh, it's a good evening, sir. Okay, cool man, the big one. Yeah, when you see because when you send a message na platform autonomous. Ana akụ nọ ndị mmadụ na Abalado side anya ebe ha ibi ịbata gate anya as in ịbata nnukwu gate from the main gate ịghọta Abalado Shoba side Shoba side Easy Gold side 91 Road side.
Mommy, I see all this building. All this building is going down. All these buildings are going down. All these buildings are going down now. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So all these buildings are going down. All these buildings, everything is going down. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So where are we going to? It's the Abalado. All these buildings are going down. Are going down. They're waiting for them to pack that things now. They're waiting for them to pack that things. All these buildings.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and see how the properties is being demolished and the one they are preparing to do so. No be smart, we will tell our people they know they hear, and now it's happening to them. Some other part of the nation of this country where they call Nigeria, they happy for this way they happen to Igbo people. If una know no more than one now. And it's a time for that small one where you still get, may you still use them, go buy another swamp, close them, and start the build house. The worst part of it is that as we are talking right now, some people are still buying land and houses in Lagos. As we are talking right now, if you run away from your home, who is going to build your home? Use what happened to Israel and learn something. What happened to them in Germany, all over Europe, and today they decided to go their home and build where they call Israel today. When they build where they call Israel today, you see, it's not there everybody want to go to. No matter where you are, you can still become what you want to be. People will come and look for you. So it's a hard time our people wake up and start reasoning like a woman. Yeah, my people, let's jump into what happened to Matthias Ezeaku. They say that let's play this video the moment they are trying to trace where they take Matthias Ezeaku, and the destination is still unknown to today. That means this is a pure kidnap to this young man. Let's play the video.
Oh, Okuzuna. Hello? Udo? I am Okuzu police station. I am Okuzu police station. Just I found a check. Voila. Open that na mic di ba nda go sun ne ba ko na ka biti fan e ku. Mic this thing now. Mic ya da for na ni ya. Yo dia. Hai me wa na da for ke tita. Go na fuse na this thing. Okay. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, there. Yenna. Organ security. You naga. How do security go jagana and die? But I'm Ababa Ebena. Oh, my God, no so. How the Kahana? Never gone. Never gone. Near Chisum. Chisom. Achọrọ m connect this thing here. My fact they have confirmed none of us police station. Cannot labor. Cannot labor. Cannot labor in life. Although
I'm telling you, if just then across this main road now, I get you like and they do not allow us. I just click that I block one main road.
You guys shut up, fucking amount of water. You only remote a kusa of I do life.
Every good one, all the Igbos and all the well-meaning Nigerians. We have been confirmed that we saw some of the people that kidnapped Ezako, Asas, or Kozo. We met 2 of the officers and they could not allow him to confirm whether Ezako is inside. We met 2 of them, they do not even allow us to be making their movement towards Okozo Asas. Because since they said that they did not arrest him, and they did not show us warrant of arrest, one of them said that he has been taken to Abuja. That means they're making a double statement that he's not here and he has been taken to Abuja. And we saw that the 2 Sienna is inside there. So that's to tell you that these people are not able to be reliable on. So every Igbo people should be making movement towards Okozo Asas. So that's to confirm that Ezako is now inside Okozo Asas. Thank you.
Oh yeah? Chisom never want to check now.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and this is a moment where they are trying to figure out if Matthias Ezak was dumped in this Okozo police station, and they say that the 2 Siennas that come was parked there and they never give them access to this young man to know his whereabouts. But the question is, who did this to Matthias Ezak? If this is a pastor that did this, what are you going to preach to your people, and what faith are you asking them to stand on? So many times that the pastors has condemned the traditional every day. That is their prayer point, and nobody have challenged them. So I never see any crime of this young man yet. Until I want the people who arrested this young man to come aside and say the reason why they arrest Matthias Ezak before we know where to start. So, but the arrestor and the kidnapper of this, the arrestor and the adopter of this young man is still unknown. So we are still watching closely. We are going to still update you of what is going on concerning this matter. Yeah, my wonderful people, please share this video and make sure that you follow this page for more updates as it is hot. We'll see you for the next update, my people. Share the video and share the information so that the people will know what they go on.